Do you know something unique about Russian drones? Now, Russian forces have developed new technology that combines two deadly weapons into one efficient and lethal system on the battlefield. They have begun using FPV-type drones armed with rocket-propelled grenades, commonly known as RPGs. A rocket-propelled grenade is an anti-tank weapon system typically launched from the shoulder, designed to fire explosive projectiles with the aid of a rocket motor. This weapon is highly effective in destroying armored vehicles, enemy fortifications, and even low-flying aircraft. Now, when mounted on remotely operated FPV drones, its destructive power becomes even more expansive and flexible. This technological integration marks a new chapter in modern combat tactics, where high-precision strikes can be carried out from a distance without putting soldiers' lives at risk. Has Russia already deployed this combination of drones and rocket-propelled grenades in real conflicts? Keep your eyes on the story. On May 26th, the mayor of Kharkiv, Ihor Terekov, reported via his official Telegram channel that Russia had begun using a new type of weapon in its attacks on Ukraine. For the first time, Moscow deployed first-person view drones equipped with warheads based on rocket-propelled grenades or RPG. This innovation showcases a deadly combination of weaponry that is small, agile, yet highly destructive. Terekov emphasized that the presence of this technology marks a new and more dangerous chapter in the evolving dynamics of the battlefield. This attack occurred amid a massive and relentless aerial onslaught by Russia against Ukraine, which, on the night of May 26th, entered its third consecutive night. In the latest strike, the Ukrainian Air Force confirmed that Russia had launched 9 Ka-101 cruise missiles from Tu-95 MS strategic bombers. In addition, a total of 355 Shahed drones in both attack and decoy versions were deployed to deceive and bombard Ukraine's defense systems. Russia's increasing use of advanced technology indicates a clear shift in battlefield weapons dominance. If such weapons are mass-produced, it is entirely possible that Russia will continue to challenge and potentially displace the advanced Western-made weaponry that has long been NATO's mainstay. This situation naturally raises concerns among allied nations, as the escalation of Russia's military capabilities could significantly alter the strategic balance in the region. In an exclusive report released by the Izvestia website, it was revealed that Russia has begun the mass production of its latest combat drone, developed specifically to meet the demands of modern warfare. This drone is known as the Golub, which means pigeon in Russian. But don't be misled by its gentle name. Golub is a deadly war machine. Designed as a frontline quadcopter, the Golub is capable of launching various types of munitions, including VOG fragmentation grenades and underbarrel grenade launcher rounds. In addition, the drone supports the transport of 82mm mortar shells, which are highly effective against lightly protected targets. In terms of technical specifications, the Golub has an operational range of up to 10 kilometers and can fly at a maximum altitude of 500 meters. Its top speed reaches 60 kilometers per hour, with a flight duration of up to 30 minutes per mission. All of this is operated by a single pilot using a domestically developed anti-jamming communication system known as Low Blizzard, which is specifically designed to counter electronic warfare attacks. This system significantly enhances Golub's resilience on the modern battlefield. However, what truly sets the Golub apart from other drones is its intelligence. Developed by the Stratum Design Bureau, the drone is equipped with advanced machine vision technology. In automatic mode, Golub can identify target locations through its camera and then hover over the target point to carry out precision bombing. Furthermore, an artificial intelligence system based on neural networks embedded in its software enables it to automatically detect infantry, making it an extremely efficient weapon on the battlefield. Its 360-degree rotating camera system not only supports navigation and targeting, but also enables operations both day and night. In low-light conditions, the system automatically switches to thermal imaging mode, maintaining mission accuracy across various weather and lighting conditions. Interestingly, unlike many other combat drones that carry warheads on external mounts, Golub stores its bomb payload inside its fuselage. This design enhances aerodynamics, reduces energy consumption, and extends flight range, an innovation that highlights how seriously Russia is pushing the boundaries of combat UAV technology. A Ukrainian technology company specializing in the development of optical guidance systems for military drones recently published an article on its official website addressing various myths surrounding the use of FPV drones in the ongoing conflict between Ukraine and Russia. One of the most commonly circulated myths is that Ukraine is far ahead of Russia in the use of FPV drones on the battlefield. In reality, according to their assessment, the situation is quite the opposite. Russia is now said to have a significant advantage in the use of unmanned aerial vehicles, particularly drones operated via fiber-optic networks. This technology allows for more stable and accurate operation, especially in complex combat environments with heavy signal interference. Russia's fiber-optic drones were first observed on the front lines when they attacked Ukrainian armored vehicles. Over time, their use has become increasingly widespread. In fact, the success of Russian forces in the Kursk region has been largely attributed to the effectiveness of these drone strikes. In their analysis, there is still much to be learned from Russia's approach, from accelerating production and improving technical capabilities to adopting more advanced technologies. All these are key factors behind the effectiveness of Russia's drone operations in the field. For Ukraine, this serves as a call to improve and adapt, in order not to fall behind in the technological race that has now become a vital part of modern military strategy. How would you rate the improvement of Russia's FPV drones? Leave your thoughts and thanks for watching.